Hello, today we will guide you through how to bulk upload Reels in Meta Business Suite. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser and make sure you are on the main home area for the business account you want to manage. This is where you can access your publishing tools, content options, and other business features in one place. If you manage multiple accounts, it is a good idea to quickly confirm that you are in the correct one before moving forward, since your uploads will be connected to the account currently selected. Once you are inside Meta Business Suite, look for the More option in the menu. This section is where Meta places additional tools that may not appear in the main navigation right away. Click on More to expand the available options. Take your time here and scan the list carefully so you can find the feature you need without missing it. After the menu expands, click on Bulk Upload Reels. This will open the Bulk Upload tool, which is designed to help you upload multiple reels more efficiently instead of adding them one at a time. This can be especially helpful if you're planning content in batches, preparing campaign assets, or organizing several short-form videos for publishing. When the bulk upload page opens, add your sample reels. You should see the area where you can upload your video files and begin the setup process. From here, follow the on-screen procedure shown in Meta Business Suite. The platform will guide you through the remaining actions needed to prepare your reels for upload. As you go through that process, make sure your files are ready, correctly formatted, and easy to identify, especially if you are uploading more than one reel at the same time. Clear file names can make the process much smoother and help avoid confusion later. Also, pay close attention to any prompts or requirements that appear on screen. These may include details related to video settings, captions, scheduling, or review steps. Since the final setup happens directly inside the bulk upload tool, following those prompts carefully will help you complete the upload successfully. And that's it. Once you have added your reels and followed the on-screen procedure, you will be well on your way to managing reel uploads in bulk through Meta Business Suite. This workflow can save time and make content publishing more organized, especially for teams or creators handling multiple videos at once.